Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue building this Tamiya DT-04 Fighter NXGEN kit. And as you can see, we've gotten to the part where we have to assemble the driver figure. I'm not the greatest at painting plastic parts, so I'm going to skip the painting part of it and just show you how to assemble it. I am, however, going to use as much of the spray colors as I can. It's a lot easier for me than using a brush. Just terrible at the brush. So first thing we need to do is cut all these pieces out. I believe we need all of these except this piece and this piece, which I have no idea where they go. I think these are handlebars. So let's do that. And I believe we also need this piece right here. I think I got everything. This probably doesn't need to be painted, so let's see. So we have all the pieces here. And I'm just going to group them together by color. There's going to be champagne. This is going to be champagne. This is going to be black. This is white and then flesh. This is also going to be flesh. And then the manual here says blue, but I don't have a spray blue, so I might choose another color, maybe paint it red, and this you don't need to paint. You don't need to paint this either. So I'm going to clean these off a little bit with some soap and water. Then I'm going to sand it down and put a coat of primer on it. All right, I'll be back. All right, here we are. Everything is painted, and I just used whatever rattle can paints that I had on hand. This is supposed to be champagne color, but I used gold instead. I went and bought the flesh color because I didn't have it. I have flat black instead of semi-gloss black, and I didn't have the blue. I used a light blue instead. So just use whatever you had. I used the spray can for every single piece here because I'm just terrible at the brush, and I knew it would come out a lot better if I used the spray can. So that's what I did. Next thing we need to do is to put the decals on, and there's several of them. We got to choose the eye color, or the eye, kind of the brow color actually, and then some helmet decorations and stuff like that. So let's do that first. Let's start with the eyes, and I kind of kept them together. I didn't cut them apart. I'm hoping I can just do that. All right, there we go. And next, let's see. Let's go ahead and assemble it. So first thing we're going to do is snap this piece into the helmet. Like that. Looks pretty good. Right, then we're going to put the visor here, like that. And there is another piece right here. And this goes, let me see, I think it goes this way. Yeah, I think it goes like that. And then we're going to put the back of the helmet. But we need to add a nut here. We need to add a nut there. That nut is going to be okay. So I'm going to put a screw here, and this is going to be an MA4 Okay, so it looks like that. Okay. And then the visor, and then the face mask is going to go here, and 2 screws are going to kind of secure that on there. And it's going to be these little ones. I think it's going to be this one right here. It's an awkward angle. Let me get them in there first. All right. Now I'm going to grab a screwdriver. I'll leave a link to this set I'm using in the description. Let's see. Okay, wow, that looks pretty cool. All right, let's put on the decals. And let's see, first we're going to put these wings right here, and these wings are going to be this and that. It's not bad. All right, let's do the other side. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now let's put that decal in the middle. It's just a simple Tamiya decal. It's a little bit crooked, but it's okay. All right, and then what else? There's a sticker right here, and I can't really tell. I think it's this one. Is it? Yeah, I think it's this one. So it looks like that, I believe. Yeah, so it's going to look like this. And it's going to line up here, so let's cut this. Okay, looks like we're done. All right, let's move on. Now let's see what we're going to do next. We're going to put the Tamiya sticker right on the chest. Okay, there we go. And then we need to put the decal for this. So I think it's this way. And then this is just going to go on top. Okay. Let's see. Let's put the head on. And it's going to be MB3. It's going to be one of these. I believe it's going to be this one. Okay, so there's that. That's pretty cool. And then we're going to put the gloves on, and we're going to tape it onto the steering wheel. So let's go ahead and put them on. It goes on like this, and it's going to be one screw. It's going to be these MC5s. Okay, now let's put some double-sided tape here, and it's just going to be a small piece, I think. Whoops. Okay. I had to bring it closer to my chest to be able to do that. And then we're going to put these on. Done with the driver figure, and let's go ahead and mount it onto this frame right here. It's going to go like that. And 2 screws from the bottom, and then these F4s from the top. Let's find those. Okay. Oh, almost fell. All right, and these X shape is going to go on top like that, and we're going to use a wrench to hold it on this side, I guess. MC6 should be this one right here. It's a flathead, and we're just going to screw that in. Alrighty, so there we go. Now let's put it into the chassis. It says there are 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I believe it's going to be these 4 right here. Just put that down. And I think it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, those 4. So let's go ahead and let me fix this hand real quick. All right. And we're just going to slide it all the way back like that. Hey, it's pretty darn neat. Yeah, it's pretty cool. No screws to fasten that. I think you need to take it out for removing the battery, so that's why it's not stationary. So I think that's it. We finished the driver figure. And for the next video, we're going to attach the top roll cage, put some decals on, and I think we're going to be very, very close to finishing. If you're building along and this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.